As you may have heard, we've recently installed a state-of-the-art environmental scanning electron microscope here at Hamline. We're very excited to have this opportunity for our students to apply their research to community problems, but we need your help.
Maddie, myself, and 6 other students majoring in biochemistry, biology, and physics are working on a grant project funded by the EPA to improve the sensitivity of lead detection in drinking water by using Raman spectrometry. The premise is that we attract lead ions to gold substrate surfaces through biomolecule linkers to enhance emitted Raman signals.
The SEM allows us to take nanoscale images of different stages of our process so we can clearly show its progression. It provides us valuable information about how well our procedures work. At first, we weren't really sure if we had even trapped any lead ions, so by using the energy dispersive spectrometer, we could map out what elements were on our samples, and wouldn't you know it, we found lead among our gold nanoparticles. As you can see here, all of these green dots represent lead on our sample. So it's really good to know that we're on the right track. The SEM is such a valuable tool to have access to. A lot of the experiments we are doing occur at the nanoscale level, and the SEM has been extremely helpful because it allows us to see our samples clearly and better understand what is happening. There are a multitude of applications across all the different disciplines, so we are so excited to see all of the discoveries that Hamline students are going to make using this wonderful instrument.
It's a very surreal experience to be working with such high-tech equipment to solve real-world problems. And it's an experience that's going to propel each of us into internships, grad school, and even job opportunities. Now this is all supported by you, the community, and your gifts will help sustain the operation of our SEM. Thank you for watching.